crazy thing about me starting off streaming was that I didn't really pay too much to get started and use things I already own. Hey y'all, I just wanted to introduce myself. I go by the name WiNDStaR 715 and I am a variety streamer streaming on YouTube and Twitch. I'll have the links down below. First off, I did start off having a portable monitor, which helped a lot because it allowed me to actually be able to check on chat by looking over my right shoulder. And you know, I bought it 2 years ago, so it didn't really come with a cost that was like upfront where I actually seen. So definitely look at what items and equipment that you have, because you may have, you know, a lot of equipment just laying around there. So for me, my first one would be the Lepow. Oh, shoot. My first item would be the Lapel portable monitor. Cost me $140 on Amazon, and I use this in many different ways. Was used for a secondary display and also to play my Nintendo Switch portably with a much larger screen, and that is the Lepow. It is powered on by a USB-C, which is also really convenient because it has its own set of speakers. I did pick up the Razer Seiren X for about $60. This is a condenser microphone. It's a USB plug-in. So it's really plug and play. You just plug it in and your computer will detect it automatically. This microphone was really good compared to my headset microphone, the Blackshark V2. I do have a video of me live streaming with the Blackshark V2. Also, like the day after, I switched over to the Razer Seiren X, and you could definitely see the difference. Alright, hey everyone. This is my first time going live using webcam and all that. Right now it's 7:47 my local time at night. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving, and let's get to it. I'm gonna jump into the game. This is my second stream that I've ever done, so sorry if any technical difficulties or all that. But let me know how the audio and the sound is. Next up, I do want to mention the headset that I use, which is the Razer Blackshark V2. This headset cost me about $60 on sale, and I primarily got it 6 months ago just as a headset replacement for the SteelSeries Arctis 7 Bluetooth or wireless that I got a few years ago. And then the next item, we'll go with the webcam. So the webcam that I picked up was the Razer Kiyo Pro. This retails for $200. Luckily, I got this for about $80, and it's a 1080p 60 webcam, which is really good because a lot of the market have like 1080p 30 or, you know, 720p cameras. So definitely this is a good camera. If you want to see how it performs and looks, just definitely check out my videos down below. I'll leave a description of some of my early on streams, or even my latest streams as well. So definitely Razer Kiyo Pro there. For whatever reason, yeah, they are all Razer products and they didn't sponsor this or anything, but I just saw a good deal and I just snagged them. So there you have it. I hope you guys find some value on this video and hope it motivates someone to pick up a mic and camera and start streaming, because that's exactly what I did. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe for future content or live streams. Remember to always be winners, innovators, and non-stop determined. Peace, and see you in the next one.